Hi everyone, my name is Lavinia and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you the inspiration for today's tutorial. This tree here is actually probably about 20 plus years old, and it was my first introduction into making crafts. I bought this I think it was probably about $5 way back when, about 20 years ago. And then what I did was I decorated it with buttons, ribbons, pieces of scrap, and some jingle bells. And here on top is some of the jingle bells have fallen off, but just a couple of pieces of wood to make the star. And so today what I thought I would do is make a little mini wreath. I bought this at Hobby Lobby and it was, let's see here, $9.99, but they had 50% off. So I thought what I would do, and it's made out of plastic. They don't have these trees here anymore. And I sold these way back when for $10 and they sold really well. So this year I thought what I would do is make this little wreath and attach to it. These are just some beads that were actually on a string and then they came off, but I thought I would attach these. I was going to put some more jingle bells, but I don't think I want to do the gold. I think I'm just going to keep it in the silver tone. And I also have some little mini pine cones. And what I started to do was I have this glitter glue and it comes in different colors. The package comes with different colors. So this one's in silver. So what I'm going to do with these is just put some glitter glue on them and then attach them. And I also have these little ornaments that I've had for years. I don't recall where I bought them, maybe Hobby Lobby, maybe even Dillard's, but I'm going to attach these. So I'm going to make this wreath in silver. And I also have a piece of scrap fabric in a holiday theme, so I thought that I would make this little bow and I would attach it there. So that's what today's tutorial is all about, is making a wreath with a couple of pine cones and then some silver decorations on it. So stay tuned. Okay, so while my glue gun is heating up, I'm going to start off with these pine cones. And this is a bag that I bought, as you can see here, it says from 2012. So I've had this for a while and going to go ahead and start using these. So I'm just taking the glitter glue, and here just on one side I am putting the glue so that will shine on the wreath. And I'm only doing one side. So I think I'll choose this one. Yeah, so this year, unfortunately, our craft shows have been canceled, but I figured I could just do this for the home. They may do some spring craft shows, which I hope they do. And this I'm just spreading, just to give it a little bit of shine on there. All right, so leave these to dry. And what I'm going to do next is start putting these beads on. I wonder if I should. Just a little bit of glue. Here. And there's different sizes of these beads. had this strand for years, but it eventually the wire inside broke, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to save these beads because maybe I can use them in some future craft. So I'm glad I did. Those little trees that I had made sold well at that time at the craft fair, but like I said, I sold them for $10. I bought them for $5 at that time and sold them for $10. And nowadays, I went to Hobby Lobby. I couldn't find any of those trees, and the ones that might have been available for sale, they were stiff, and they cost much more than the $5, and I don't know if it would have been worth buying them and decorating them, and then even if there was a craft fair, someone would want to spend, you know, $15 or $20. But so I thought, well, I'm just going to make this wreath. So I have some little tiny beads now, so I think I'm just going to put the little dollop of glue here, just so I don't burn my fingers. So I'm going to place it on this wreath. And this wreath is plastic, but as long as it doesn't get too close to the glue gun, we should be fine without melting actually the plastic on the wreath. So that's looking kind of cute. And you can make this in any color scheme you want. So you can even buy, so let's say you want to do it in pink or blue. Just finding beads or even buttons on that tree. I also had buttons on there, so you know, you can make it however you'd like. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the pine cones on. Oops. Put enough glue there. So what about you folks? Are you attending any craft fairs? Have any of yours been canceled? Or are they still going on or postponed? I've seen from some other videos, some folks saying that some of their craft fairs have been canceled or that they are still going on, but they're being held outdoors. I wish, because our homeowners association puts on our craft show, or at least the one that I attend, and they do have a large parking lot, so I kind of wish that they would have thought of that, but they scheduled theirs in June. So at that time, of course, the virus was at its still peak. So all right, so there's that. I may end up repositioning the pine cones, but let's see. I might put some of these on. I have these actually in larger shapes that I actually put on our large Christmas tree. So the same exact ornaments for our larger Christmas tree. Okay. Just a couple more of these. Or the silver one. All right. Okay. I think I might just put the bow there. see. Yeah, that's looking cute. I might still reposition these pine cones, but I think it looks cute. So a simple, easy way to make a wreath. Decorate it with your own color preferences. And again, I got the wreath at Hobby Lobby. They had it on sale this week for 50% off. Yes, so there you go. There you have it. Very cute. I like it. And I hope you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for additional tutorials. Please subscribe to get notifications. Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.